From a high-speed tank that defies expectations to a monstrous 900 horsepower dune crusher, these insane off-road machines push the limits of engineering. Wait until you see which one costs nearly $1 million. The Ripsaw EV3-F4. This high-performance tracked vehicle is the brainchild of an American company specializing in military and armored vehicles. Designed for extreme off-road enthusiasts, it also delivers remarkable speed. The engineers behind this project claim it to be the fastest dual-tracked vehicle available. That's hardly surprising considering it is powered by an 811 horsepower Duramax 5.8 engine, allowing it to hit speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Despite its 10,000-pound weight, the Ripsaw EV3-F4 is built to carry 4 people while maintaining all-terrain capability. With 20 inches of ground clearance and versatile all-weather tracks, this machine is ready to conquer any environment regardless of conditions. However, this level of performance comes at a cost. The price tag is around $500,000. Project MAYBACH. Measuring 20 feet in length, this striking concept vehicle is the result of a collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and US designer Virgil Abloh, known for his work with Louis Vuitton. Despite its massive size, the Project MAYBACH is a two-seater and is envisioned as an off-road electric coupe. One of its most unique features is the integrated axe positioned next to the driver, emphasizing its rugged utility. The hood is made of transparent material, revealing solar panels beneath for an added energy boost. Meanwhile, an external safety cage doubles as a trunk space, further enhancing its adventure-ready design. While the car is officially branded as Project MAYBACH, design influences from Rolls-Royce and other luxury marques can be seen in its aesthetic. However, Mercedes-Benz assures that this visionary vehicle stands apart from anything else on the road. Brabus Crawler. The next standout is an exclusive German machine built by Brabus, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. According to expert assessments, the price tag sits at a staggering $800,000, which may not be surprising once you take a closer look at its impressive specifications. Under the hood, it boasts an AMG V8-based engine producing an incredible 900 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The chassis was developed specifically for this project, enabling an impressive 21 inches of ground clearance. Naturally, it features all-wheel drive and a high-performance automatic transmission to match its off-road capability. To ensure durability on rough terrain, the underbody is reinforced with Kevlar and aluminum, while the seats are equipped with 4-point harness seat belts for maximum safety. Production will be extremely limited, with only 5 units built per year, culminating in a total of just 15 vehicles. Which one of these incredible machines would you love to test out? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. GO Rescue. This rugged off-road vehicle hails from Romania, created by specialists who aim to craft something truly versatile. The result? A machine that looks like a fusion of the original Humvee and Batman's Tumbler. The goal of the project was simple: build a vehicle capable of tackling the most extreme conditions. To achieve this, it can be configured to serve medical teams, firefighters, and rescue crews. The dimensions measure 17 feet long, 9 feet wide, and 13 feet tall, while the weight varies based on configuration, starting at 7,000 pounds. Customers can choose between a diesel engine offering up to 304 horsepower, or a gasoline engine reaching 500 horsepower. Additionally, the vehicle can be upgraded with tracks instead of rear wheels. According to its designers, there are virtually no terrain limitations, as long as there's an experienced driver behind the wheel. Atlas. This all-terrain beast known as Atlas is designed with practicality and performance in mind. Its payload capacity reaches 3,300 pounds, while its turning radius is smaller than that of a standard passenger car thanks to its four-wheel rotation system. The adaptability of the Atlas is impressive. It can be used to transport up to 12 people or fit a stretcher for medical evacuations. Performance-wise, it reaches 37 miles per hour on land and 4 miles per hour in water, making it a true amphibious vehicle. Operating the Atlas is straightforward, requiring only basic driving experience. A standout feature is its impressive service interval of 200 hours, reducing maintenance concerns. As one YouTube commenter cleverly noted, this vehicle looks like it was built to take Darth Vader on a fishing trip. Aerial Nomad Tactical. This lightweight yet powerful buggy is a creation of Ariel, a company known for its ultra-lightweight sports car kits. Weighing just 680 pounds, the Nomad Tactical boasts impressive acceleration, reaching 62 miles per hour in only 3.4 seconds, courtesy of its Honda engine. The interior is designed for comfort, featuring 5-position adjustable seats and a removable windshield with wipers. At 11 feet in length, the buggy maintains a compact yet aggressive profile. Given its long production run, the model recently underwent an update by a classic car atelier. The latest version includes JRI hydraulic shock absorbers and other refinements while also offering a more affordable price, $22,000 less than the original. As of today, the standard version starts at $92,000. Venturi Antarctica. The story behind this all-terrain vehicle is just as fascinating as the machine itself. It all started with Prince Albert II of Monaco, who visited Antarctic research stations and later pledged to support the creation of a 100% electric vehicle for extreme polar expeditions. Venturi Automobiles, a company known among Formula E fans, took on the challenge. The result? A versatile off-road vehicle designed to endure the harshest conditions. One version can operate in temperatures as low as -58°F, reach speeds of 16 miles per hour, and cover 28 miles on a single charge. The spacious interior accommodates 6 people, and quick-swap components make repairs easy, ensuring maximum reliability in the field. To keep it lightweight yet strong, the engineers opted for a tubular steel frame. Which one of these incredible machines would you love to test out? Let us know in the comments. Ferox Azaris. Hailing from Australia, this futuristic SUV is more than just an eye-catching design, it's a technological marvel. The Azaris boasts a fluid drive system, setting it apart from conventional vehicles. At its core, 4 fluid motors are linked to a pump that circulates a 95% water-based mixture. The pump itself is powered by a BMW 1200 GS motorcycle engine delivering remarkable efficiency, 98% to be precise. Each motor weighs just over 24 pounds and can also act as a brake thanks to an advanced thrust vector control system. Add to that a rocker suspension that absorbs shocks and vibrations for an ultra-smooth ride. The company plans to manufacture a limited batch, though the starting price of $354,000 suggests it will mostly appeal to elite collectors. Parajet Explorer Flying Car. For years, flying cars have remained the stuff of science fiction, but a UK-based team is turning that dream into reality. Meet the Parajet Explorer, a vehicle that transitions from road to air in just 3 minutes. It delivers impressive performance on both land and in the skies, reaching speeds of 85 miles per hour on the ground and 50 miles per hour in flight. Weighing 516 pounds, the Explorer is constructed from carbon fiber and composite materials, ensuring strength without excess weight. Its Rotron engine generates 100 horsepower, enabling a maximum flight time of 2.5 hours at altitudes of up to 15,000 feet. As an added bonus, purchasers receive flight training, with a pilot course that takes only a few weeks. Cramble. Designed for the most challenging terrains, this snow and swamp vehicle refuses to be stopped. Manufactured in St. Petersburg, the Cramble can even float while carrying a 772-pound load. Its articulated frame and drive-shaft transmission provide excellent maneuverability in rugged environments. Powering the vehicle is an 18.5 horsepower engine, which is remarkably fuel efficient, consuming just 0.3 to 0.4 gallons per hour. A built-in generator supplies up to 200 watts, allowing users to connect external equipment when needed. The payload capacity reaches 1,100 pounds, and for added durability, tubeless tires are available upon request. Which of these extreme off-road machines would you love to take for a ride? Let us know in the comments. Hellfire. You're looking at one of the 4 vehicles of the apocalypse, the Hellfire. Designed by an American tuning studio, it joins a lineup that includes Doomsday, Sinister Six, and Warlord. The Hellfire is based on a Jeep Gladiator, but it undergoes a dramatic transformation with custom-made fenders, a redesigned hood, a third axle, and other modifications. Buyers can choose from 3 engine options, with the most powerful being the 750 horsepower Hellcat. Additional tuning features include a 12.1-inch screen, LED lighting, leather trim, and power running boards. Prices for this high-performance build start at $155,000, and its popularity speaks for itself. Around 80 Hellfire models have already been produced, with one even making an appearance on Jay Leno's Garage. Incas Hudson. This armored off-road vehicle comes from Canadian specialists who designed it for security forces. Built on the Toyota Land Cruiser 76 platform, it is powered by a 275 horsepower turbo diesel engine. The reinforced armor provides protection against 7.62 by 51mm NATO rounds, while key components and the engine compartment receive additional composite shielding. Inside, the 6-seat cabin offers climate control, ensuring comfort in extreme conditions. The 16-foot-long body sits on a 9-foot wheelbase, making it compact enough for urban environments. It's also equipped for riot control with optional sirens, a loudspeaker system, removable mesh window protection, and a 360-degree camera setup. Which one of these impressive off-road beasts caught your attention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And that wraps up our list of some of the most extreme off-road machines ever built. Each of these vehicles pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation in its own way. Which one of these off-road beasts would you love to take for a spin? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more jaw-dropping vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.